Yeah, let's change these tires out. See how them new ones work. There.
What's up, Minitruck?
These are an inch bigger than the ones I had on there, so I went to full 24.
Time to test them out.
Oh yeah, I can notice already. Not as bad as the other ones were.
Sounds like a prop plane. I'm sure he knows you're here.
You think? I don't have my lockers on now. Drift light, baby! Not bad. It's kind of frozen now.
He's on here.
Run, Bambi! The nice thing about this is I bet you I could sneak myself all up around through. Well,
I used to have a quad trail up there.
yeah, I remember. Because it's so little. Articulation.
Yeah.
What is that? Marks.
Me walking around.
Shit, Minitruck.
If he's going up the hill, I don't really know if I want to follow him.
Pretty steep. We're gonna make it.
This is a bad idea.
Pull it, yeah, baby. This thing is tore the fuck up.
Go, little truck, go. He'll probably... I don't know if I'm gonna make it. This is where a CB comes in very handy. I wish he had a handheld in there.
Man, I gotta install a CB in here.
Wow. Wow. Icy, muddy shit too.
I don't know. I'm not doing it.
Guess he ain't gonna make it.
What's up, Minitruck? pretty impressive. That's what I got in here too, an inclometer. Oh shit. You want to see how fucking steep this shit is? Right there. That's how steep this shit is. I need a CB in here. I think it's pretty amazing. I definitely wouldn't be able to go through that. I'd never make it through that. That was friggin' steep, man. You see it going? I didn't know if I was gonna make it. I mean, it's all tires. If you had tires with cleats like it on there, you'd fucking pull yourself right up. It's all about the cleats.
That was all just first gear, let it do what it needed to do.
That's tore up. This thing did a little better than I expected it to. I don't know how far up we can get this other trail if you want to try that one.
One on the right.
Yeah, I know it's got to be cleared. Or you can watch me go up a little, and then, I mean, if I got it, I don't care about mashing this.
I can't use this as a...
Well, you could see if it's shitty. Like going up that hill, you could tell. Jesus. This is fucked. This thing's fucking going, I can't believe it. Jesus Christ. Amazing. Well, I ain't making it up that. That's for sure. Now what, mini truck? That's pretty fucking steep. I don't know if I can get over that one.
Oh boy, he's in a bad spot.
Wow, this is fucking, holy shit. The only reason I put myself up this way is because if I had to winch myself, I can. Turn the locker so my diff don't. Oh, I hope I didn't dent anything. Damn, that's all I gotta say. Damn. Worked. Shit, I wish I had that while I was going up. I'm impressed. Right, mini truck? How about you?
Not bad.
You do okay. Oh, threading that needle. Oh yeah, I gotta see if I dented this. Huh. That thing fucking wheels, man.
Not bad at all.
Right? I mean, I'm pretty impressed. You gotta remember, like, all the weight's over the front pulling you up and the rears. So like when I was backing up and I had the differential locked in that, my back end was like sliding itself down. I was like, oh, you got to turn that shit off, because I was trying to turn and it would just like plow itself. Let me shut that off. Got a little bit of a load. We got to look at one tree that was cut earlier.
Sometimes it starts a little hard when it's hot. I don't know if the carburetor's flooding or what.
Wrong door, asshole. Definitely don't want to make sharp turns with the diff lock on and a lot of weight in the back. That's how you break shit. Not too bad of a load.
Probably about 400 or 500 pounds. It don't even care. Definitely a better workhorse than the mule he's had in the past and the Ranger we just got rid of.
Oh yeah, Minitruck. Nice.
Hey, if you got any good ideas for this Minitruck, let me know in the comments. Had a few good ones already.
Work truck, Minitruck.